Okay. So this is the property right here. We're out with my man. They out there working.
Yeah,
working
hard,
real hard.
Giving back to the community,
Yeah,
man.
building up the community, keep things clean with career and recovery.
Thanks for these people right here.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Mr. Sims.
God is good, man.
Yes, God is good. And all the people with the city who want to keep things clean in these dilapidated houses and abandoned houses and rundown properties and people haven't taken care of. So
Paper soldier, y'all. Your boy getting rich. Kids head naughty now. They know snotty now. So what I do, I try to turn they frown around. I make them smile a day, only for a while a day. I give them dollar day, my ghetto holiday. I must say for myself.
Yes, how y'all doing, man? We out here in Houston, you know what I'm saying, building community. As you can see, we got people working right here. You know what I'm saying? This is how we give back. I'll be giving back, you know what I'm saying, for the homeless. Come in here, build it, house, man. You know what I'm saying? Everything, check out. You know what I mean? God bless y'all. Like I always say, be blessed by the best. Boy, God bigger than gave white. Why?
yeah. Okay. So we building back the community. We building things up. Hey, what's going on, bro? Yeah, bro, out here right now, boarding up houses. My man's out here working tough. Got the supervisors, got the specialists, got Alvaro, got Tim over here, got everybody out and about. And my man is meeting and greeting. We supposed to get to work. Be blessed.
Talk to them, love.
Well, I've been going through a lot of things lately, and I'm just trying to find my way up out the dark. You feel me? And I'll be damned if I'ma let a hard time change me. I'm trying to find my way up out the dark. I know you gotta feel me, feel me, feel me, feel me, feel me.
Purchase your tracks today.
Rest in peace, my cousin Juka. Man, used to go by his house to play the Sega and the Super,